Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are here again for another podcast and we have our special guest, one of my, closest friends, one of my family friend, one of my, circle of friends, in life, Victor Esma. You know what I'm saying? So nandito na naman tayo ngayon for another podcast. Tatalakayin natin yung mga life experiences ni Vic, yung mga, perspective niya sa buhay. Yun na yung mga thought process niya when it comes to struggle when he has you know into situation, So, yeah, I mean, ito talaga din yung isa sa mga mga
Excuse me, oh.
mga nasa bucket list ko, to have him. This is one of the, mga isang best ones sa sa list ko to have
Grabe
him,
yung intro. Grabe
Yes,
yung intro.
sir. Ito yung isa sa mga greatest of all time na gusto ko
I think sa high school, di ba?
Well,
First time ko nakita si Justin sa cafeteria.
uh,
Remember?
uh,
Wala ka pang kilala
wala,
nun eh.
wala akong kakilala nun.
Wala ko siyang kilala yun. Pinuntahan ko siya.
Yeah.
Haba pa ng buhok mo nun eh.
So yeah, you guys imagine that since high school until now.
Yeah.
How long have we
Justin.
been friends, bro? More than 10 years now? No,
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 no.
no. 7? Let's say 7.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I think it's 7 years. Imagine that. And we still cherish our friendship. It's very important. So, yeah, Vic, kamusta naman yung pagpunta dito? Kamusta yung biyahe?
Ayos naman, di traffic eh.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's the best thing about night shift.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I just wanna appreciate it na si Victor is galing pa sa work and then dumiretso siya dito. Tinrap ko talaga siya. Iniwan niya yung gamit niya sa akin para
Naiwan ko yung gamit ko. Tinatakas-takasan ko talaga siya ayaw matuloy yung podcast mo. Pero yan, naiiwan ko yung helmet ko. I have to go back. So, here
May
I am.
purpose yung helmet. Kaya, sabi ng tadhana, kailangan maiwan to para matuloy tong podcast na. But yeah, I mean,
One more.
let's go get it. I mean, ready, Vic?
Huh?
Ready?
Hindi talaga eh, pero sige. Dito na ako eh. Yeah, I gotta do it.
First question, Vic. Kailan mo huling tinignan ang iyong sarili sa salamin at napaisip, I'm really proud sa kung gaano kalayo yung narating ko ngayon, and did you really believe na makaabot ka dito sa kung gaano ka nakalayo ngayon sa buhay?
Well, last ko nakita mukha ko sa salamin is sa washroom niyo. And my first thing sa utak ko, like, I don't know what I'm doing here. No, pero seryoso, I wasn't sure na darating ako dito, diba? Like, it's God's will. So, but it's good to be here.
Pero when was the last time you said that, I'm really proud?
I mean, not always,
Mhm.
but hindi ko alam kung kailan, but I have those moments na yung makikita mo yung sarili mo sa salamin, like, tatawa ka. No. But, yung mapapaisip ka rin, like, wow, getting old. But, I don't know kung saan dadalhin ng, like, takbo ng buhay, but, ano yung part ng question mo?
When was the last time you said that you really feel proud kung
Feel
gaano ka
proud?
nakalayo ngayon?
I would say every day.
Every day, eh? Wow.
Yeah, you gotta applaud yourself, right? Every single day.
Mm.
You don't know, bukas, that's it.
Mm.
But, every day.
Ano ba yung one of your proudest, na-achieve or na sa buhay, na sabi mo, yeah, I'm really proud to have this, I'm really proud that I'm here, ano yung mga examples?
Not that much, honestly. But, I mean, I'm proud na, I'm still here, with my family. And that's enough for me.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I mean, kape na tumatakbo sa utak kayo.
But yeah, I
I
mean,
mean, yeah.
with your family, presence,
Yeah.
still here.
I'm proud to have those people around me,
Mm.
my friends and families.
Mhm. So,
Yeah. I mean, I'm not where I am right now
mm,
kung wala sila, di ba? So,
mm. So yeah, guys, yun yung mga one of the proudest moments ni Vic, just be here.
I'm proud to be here with you.
Yeah.
With the
See?
strawberries and coffee, right?
There you go. With his families, and then pagdating naman sa buhay is just every day, he's saying that he applauds, to himself, and then, proud to himself na whatever it is, whatever anong pinaglalaban mo, you're proud every day. So, wow.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
I hope so. I am.
Yeah. You should be proud. I mean, you're really working hard. As I know you, you really work hard every day. So, proud of you too, man. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Second question, guys. Nagsusumikap ka araw-araw, para sa mga goals mo. Pero ano yung parte na hindi nila nakikita, hindi nila naintindihan habang hinahabol mo yung pangarap mo?
I mean, 90% of it, right? I mean, di lang sa family, sa
Mm-mm.
friends.
Mhm.
I mean, sa lahat lang. Kahit sa'yo, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Like, they don't see the struggles. They don't see the late night, yung mga di ka nakatulog. They don't see those things.
Mm.
Ikaw lang nakakita dun. Yung mga ganun na bagay. Na 10% yung nakikita nila yung na-achieve mo, yung mga ganun. But throughout the process, it's just you.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, yung mga small things, like siguro mga ups and downs mo, hindi nila nakikita. But it's okay. It's understandable. I mean, they have their own life too, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So, totoo nga naman, no? But really, 10% lang is like the results and everything. Yun lang yung nakikita nila.
I mean, yeah. That's how I look at it.
I see.
That's how I look at it.
Even me, kahit one of your closest friends, nakikita ko din naman yung process mo eh. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. And only 90% wala nang, tapos 10% results only.
10% is like, when I say, it's not just result. Like, yung nakikita lang nila, di ba? But most of the time, you spend with yourself only. Like, siguro, pag nasa washroom ka, yung nire-ready mo yung sarili mo, yung mga doubts mo, kalaban mo yung mga doubts mo, di ba? Yung mga kasi, honestly, 90% of the battles sa buhay mo is it's within you. 10% is just outside. Yung mga bagay. For me. It really, para sa akin, ganun. And that 90% is within you. It's not like that. Diba?
Wow. Alam mo, meron akong na-capture na word, doubts. What do you mean? Do you have doubts to yourself? Meron ka bang mga doubts every time to yourself?
Yeah, meron.
I see. Can you give one? Just for
Ano?
example.
I can't think about anything right now. The doubts that I can't answer your question. Doubts that I don't know if I can answer your question. But,
Pero yeah, kasi minsan, meron din kasi ako akong,
ano mga doubts mo? For example.
For me, is just, kunwari, meron akong goal, right?
Yeah.
Tapos throughout the process, like, parang kinakalculate mo lang. Parang
I
hirap nun
see.
Parang
Yeah,
hirap
yeah.
nun
Yeah, I see what you mean. I think you're talking about your like anxieties of future.
Anxiety?
Kasi it's like, pag may goal ka, di ba? You're gonna try to plan everything out. Sa utak mo lang. This is what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. But really, those are just your imagination. Di naman nangyayari yun in real time. So, throughout those calculations, may mga part na, of course, di mo makakontrol and you doubt that it will happen. So, dun nga, but sometimes, pray more, worry less.
I see.
Right?
That's true. So, yun nga naman yun yung mga, isa sa mga solution na just pray. Talk to God.
Yeah.
If you have any doubts kung ano yung mga plano mo sa buhay.
Yeah. Ganun.
So, yeah. But yeah, guys, moving forward, Um, Vic, kung yung success ay may mawawala sa sarili mo, sa proseso, gagawin mo pa rin ba ito? For example, yung mawawala sa, sarili mo. For example lang ha, yung pagmamahal mo sa paligid mo. Kung na rin mawawala yun. In order to achieve those success, may mawawala na gaya ng mga ganun. Would you still go to it to achieve your goals?
It's really about how you define your success, right? What is your success?
Me?
Yeah, right? It's really how you define your success. I mean, I don't believe na mawawala sa sarili mo yung, like yung sabi mo, yung love.
For example lang.
Example, give me an example, like more detailed na example.
For example, in order to, for example lang,
Yeah.
meron kang, just, ano lang to guys for example lang, meron kang company and in order to, to consistently growing para sa company mo, you have to detach your emotions with your loved ones, because you have to, focus and you have to, alam mo yun, oras din ng mga ganyan. Kailangan mong paglaanan yun in order to, be successful in the business, in your company. So, would you,
Okay.
lose that
I mean,
in order to proceed?
when you say to be successful in life, really, I mean, if para sa akin kasi mas importante yung family talaga. Aside from business, okay, success, but di mo naman madadala yun sa langit. Afterlife, you don't own anything in this world. So, dapat, I don't think you call it success if you're gonna lose your love for it. It's not success. It's a downfall. Eventually, you will fall. Because, para sa akin, I told you about this before, that I don't think I told you about this. I mean, oh yeah, I think I told you about this na. Nothing in this world can satisfy a man, right?
Yeah, I remember
that?
I remember
But
that.
only himself. So,
Mm.
if you gotta be satisfied, like, kontento sa mga, like, ngayon pa lang, like, you're not there, right? Success is really, para sa akin lang, it's within. Nandito yung mga family ko, ganyan. That for me is success, right? I'm blessed to have those, right? Yung tagumpay na, like, magka-business ka, ganyan. It's not worth it to lose your love for that. Right? Dapat, eventually, makukuha mo din naman yan pag ginagawa mo yung, kasabay mo yung mga tao na nakapalibot sa yung family mo, ganyan.
Yeah. So you're saying just balance it?
Yeah, I think so.
I see.
Somehow, along that way.
So you're saying balance is very important when it
Yeah,
comes to
kasi
those?
pag nawala mo na yung, like, okay, you're chasing success in this world, di ba? Yung success na, okay, mainly money, right? Success sa pera, like, you to become financially, like, success. Okay? I don't think money is worth more than people you love. So, I don't think you call it, I call it success na I have money but I will lose the people I love. It's not success. It's a different way, but I know eventually I have to go back, because it's not the right way for me. Para sa akin, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's very interesting.
But I don't know life that much. I'm still young. Actually, birthday ko kahapon. I'm 24 now.
Vic, belated happy birthday.
Thank you. You forgot, man.
I know.
Hindi, joke lang.
I know, I forgot. I gotta be honest with you. So guys, shout out pala kay Vic. Belated happy birthday. Birthday
No.
niya kagabi.
I'm still young. I don't know life that much.
But yeah,
Para sa
24.
akin, that's how I look at it.
24, magto-24 na din ako.
December, 1 5, right?
Yeah. You should come to my birthday.
Hirap yo, Christmas yung birthday mo. What do you mean?
But yeah, yun nga yun.
Para
Yun
sa iba,
yung
ganun ba yun?
success.
Success? What do you think
daily
about success, though?
success,
Yeah.
for me,
Mm.
kung meron kang goal tapos na-hit mo yung goal na yun, yun yung success. That is success. Kunwari, for example, kahit daily goals mo lang na, oh, okay, today I'm gonna work hard sa career ko or passion ko, and then ito ano ako sa self ko, mag-exercise ako for 2 hours, and then kakain ako ng, yun yung mga goals, yun yung success na yun, you know.
Yeah, small steps.
Yeah, small steps. But when it comes to bigger steps, you know, there's, you could really not calculate for a long term, but you could try your best, you know what I'm saying? But you could never guarantee everything when it comes to long-term goal. Pero patuloy ka lang kahit, kahit papaano. That is success to me.
Para sa akin, yung normal lang yun.
Yeah.
Chill lang. Yung parang success is like parang as long as I'm gonna be happy today, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
happy.
Mm-hmm.
That's just success for me. To be
Yeah.
happy is just, like, mahirap yung maging masaya ngayon sa mundong to.
Yeah, sa totoo lang din.
Daming problema yun.
Pero alam mo ba, may natutunan ako, Vic,
Eh,
na if you're chasing happiness, it will not satisfy you, or, you know, like, feel you complete. Pero natutunan ko is, if you chasing peace of mind,
it's different.
is different.
Because for me lang, there's two kind of happiness. You can be happy in a wrong and a right way.
Mm-hmm.
Right? May mga magbibigay sa atin ng saya but masama para sa atin.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying. So,
Yeah. Pero yung peace of mind, Vic, is different. Pag sinabi mo kasing peace of mind, like clear yung utak mo, yung clear yung surroundings mo, yung environment mo sa buhay is very different, eh? Pero kung happiness is just, is
and joy
temporary.
is the real treasure in life.
Yeah, it's temporary only. So, yun yung mga, hindi ko naman sinasabi na mali yung chasing happiness, but
I don't
it's
think you have
good
to chase
too, but
happiness. You
yeah.
attract happiness. I don't think you chase.
There's some people doing that.
Yeah?
You never know, yeah.
I mean, you never catch it. Hindi mo habulin mo yung happiness. Like,
Yeah.
for example, okay, nice car would make you happy.
Mm-mm.
Oh, ngayon, gusto mo ng like, whatever car, name it. Sa Lamborghini, yun, diba? Yung mga happiness na mata. But 5 years after that, there's more beautiful cars.
Yeah.
They're more
Yeah.
faster.
Yeah.
So you can't really chase that.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually, you run out of time, you die.
Mm-mm.
So I think happiness is like what I said, like when you satisfy yourself, right? Like gusto ko lang ng sasakyan na ganito, and then mamahalin mo na yung sasakyan na yan because it's, example, regalo sa'yo ng parents mo, or like this is my first gift sa sarili ko. I think that is the happiness. Pero pag yung happiness na hinahanap mo is like, gusto ko mabilis na sasakyan, ganyan, mas maraw para mapansin ng ibang tao. I think that would never satisfy you. Really.
That's true.
That would never satisfy you.
Wow.
But I don't know.
Grabe guys, lumalayo na kami sa...
Man, I need more coffee.
Yo, you want more?
After this.
Yeah, after podcast, but yeah.
Nakailang tanong na tayo.
3 pa lang.
Ilan yan?
10.
Huh?
10. Yeah, I prepared this, para talaga sa ito eh. But, yeah, yun na nga, yun yung mga, isa sa mga, yung mga ni Victor pagdating sa process na pag may mawawala sa sarili niya, is very important to have balance, na hindi na worth it pag nawawalan ka ng something, part from you, in order to chase your goals.
You
right?
should, I think yung take lang is you should know what really is necessary sa buhay.
Mm-hmm.
And anong libro ngayon? It was like what kalimutan ko na tuloy.
But what is it say?
What truly necessary sa buhay is invisible to the naked eye. Like hindi mo nakikita yung mga totoong importante. But like real treasure ng buhay. You should keep those. Yeah. Hindi mo pwedeng i-trade yun sa mga bagay na nandito sa mundo. For example, like like yung joy na kasama mo yung mga family mo, you should treasure those. But yeah,
I see.
short, in short, ganun lang.
I see. Oh, that's very deep, eh.
Yeah.
Interesting. Pero babalikan ko tong video na to, like, what do you mean by naked eye? You should
Yung,
hide your something to the naked eye.
yeah, yung, alam mo, it's a Little Prince yun eh.
What
I
do you
mean,
mean?
you know Little Prince? No? It's a book.
I see. What do you mean by that? Like, can you elaborate on naked eye something?
Sabi yun ng Fox eh. But truly, yung totoong importante sa buhay, hindi nakikita ng mata ng tao.
Yung totoong importante sa buhay, hindi nakikita ng mata ng tao. What do you mean?
Huh? Whatever it means. Whatever it means, yeah. I mean, if you dive into that idea, parang hakon na matata, di ba? It means no worries. Ganun. If you dive into that idea, it's just like a, phrase, but it could mean different. Depende paano mo i-apply sa buhay mo.
Interesting. Baya guys, yun yung mga yun yung mga take, no? See, ito yung, kaya gusto ko sa mga greatest of all time na gusto kong mga sama sa podcast.
Sure ba?
Kasi ako napapaisip din na. But yeah.
May paint ka pa sa kami mo?
Yeah, paint.
Still have mine.
Yeah. But yeah, next question, Vic. Ano ang masasabi ni Batang Victor sa ngayong Victor? Pag nakita yung 15 years old na ikaw, what do you think he's gonna say to you?
Pag kung ano sasabihin niya sa akin?
Yeah, like, damn, you're 24.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I mean, siguro ganito na lang. If I look back 20 years from now, which is Batang Victor, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, me, I'm 40, right?
Yeah. Oh, you're saying like you're 24
Yeah.
right now and then you're gonna say, okay,
So,
then.
if that.
Kita mo, siya lang yung may kakayahang baliktarin yung tanong. Siya lang itong nakakagawa ngayon. But yeah, okay, go ahead.
Okay, yung 59.
Go ahead. Mas maganda yun, 24 tapos 40. Okay, what would you say?
Umabot ka nun. Umabot ka sa edad na yun.
Siyempre,
ganito lang, baliktad na lang. Advice ko na lang siguro sa younger self ko. Because I don't know what I'm gonna say sa older self ko. Like,
okay.
I don't know who are you and how you get there. Right?
Okay,
So
okay.
I can't. But maybe if, pag sasabihin ko yung mas younger self ko, slow down, crazy child.
Slow down.
Slow
But
down.
mabilis.
Take your time. Enjoy the process. Don't rush things too much. There's always time, right? There's always the right time for something. You don't, like what we talk about, don't chase happiness. Let it come to you. We attract happiness. We don't, we don't chase for it. So just slow down, take your time, enjoy the process. Man, lamig yun.
So yeah, yun ba yung, bakit nung bata ka ba, mabilis ba yung pace mo sa buhay nun? O hindi naman?
Hindi naman mabilis. Like yung ano lang. Like, siguro yung excited ka na, like what we talk about, excited ka na ma-achieve yung success na gusto mo.
Mm-hmm.
And then, the whole time you didn't enjoy the process. Like, you're just thinking about, how I'm gonna get there. Like,
I see.
just enjoy, little steps.
I see.
Every single day. Just slow down. Wala ka pa dun. Just enjoy the process. Ganun.
So yeah, guys, yun yung mga, enjoy the process. At the same time, kayo din, guys, kung meron kayong goals or, kailangan yung i-achieve sa buhay, enjoy the process. Kasi, ang pangit kapag papunta ka doon tapos hindi mo na-enjoy, parang mawawalan ka na ng gana.
Yeah, like pagdating mo doon, di ba? Tapos tatanungin ka ng English mo, like, what did you learn? Wala kang makikwento kasi hindi mo naman maalala yung nangyayari. Just take your time.
Enjoy it. Wow, how Vic does.
I think that's I think that's the most important part sa journey. The journey is not the destination.
Mm.
Right? Kasi pagdating mo dun, that's it.
Mm.
Tanda ka na, upo ka na lang. Wala ka na
That's
magagawa.
true, yeah.
So,
Wow. Wow. Grabe yung mga kamalayan mo ngayon, Biga.
yan yung ano, yan yung reason. Yan yung result pag nakadalawang kape ka na. Tapos pinya na may kape. Pinagpinya ko, tapos
Bro.
kape yung pan.
Prutas yan, healthy yan.
Bak, inom ka ng kape, tapos watermelon.
Yeah.
Next.
But yeah, yun yung mga ano, enjoy the process, guys. You know, and then siya lang din. Kaya gusto ko talaga to siya interviewing. Kaya niya talaga baliktarin yung sitwasyon eh. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, next question, Vic. Marami ka ng, you know, pinasan sa balikat mo. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ano yung isang bagay na kunwari hindi ka nasasaktan pero masakit pa rin sa'yo?
Wala yun.
Wala naman. Hindi, gusto ko lang tanungin. Baka mayroon.
Wala yun. Wala naman. Pinapasan sa like,
Yeah, like sa buhay, like marami ka ng karga, you know, you're doing a lot of things. Tapos sinasabi mo, ay, hindi na masakit yung ano, pero masakit pala talaga.
like mentally, physically.
It could be anything.
I mean, I'm honored to be to have this responsibility, whatever responsibility I have. I don't have to go through all of them, but
Yeah.
I'm honored to have them.
Mm.
And para sa akin din, ulit naman tayo sa mga tanong eh. Para sa akin lang din, like, that's like pure happiness para sa akin. Because without those, like, you know, like what you said, like
Yeah.
burden, without
Yeah.
those, I mean, you can't prove yourself. Right? Walang problema sa buhay mo, walang mga challenges sa buhay mo. You got nothing to prove sa sarili mo.
Mm.
With those responsibility, hindi naman siya like burden para sa akin. Depends how you look at it. But
Mm.
para sa akin,
Responsibilities. There you go. Responsibilities.
yeah, for me, it's just like, I'm honored to have those things sa buhay ko.
I
They're not burden.
Mm.
They just, you know, there to
Purpose. Parang
purpose. Para may purpose din ako sa buhay ko. Wala kang gagawin, upo ka lang, di ba? Siyempre, you gotta do something. Right? You gotta work.
Ang weird naman nun, no? Pangit naman ang buhay niya. Pag walang purpose.
Pupo ka lang. Wala kang kwenta. Wala kang kwenta, yo. Pupo ka lang.
That's crazy. Ba, yeah, yun. Wala namang, you know.
No, I don't look at it as a burden.
Hindi naman burden, like, wala namang, like,
Yung masakit, ganyan.
I've been through a lot. I have a lot of responsibilities and, like, sometimes I need a break na masakit to, pero ini-endure ko lang, pero masakit talaga. Wala namang ganun.
Wala naman. I need, sometimes, you know, kailangan ko ng rest.
Yeah.
Rest lang. But
Kapag
may leisure
mabigat
naman,
na,
may leisure naman ako. I have my leisures.
there you go. So, yeah.
That's when I, you know, unwind.
So, ano yung advice mo kapag merong tao na, you know, maraming responsibilities and then at the same time nasasaktan sila pero ini-endure lang nila?
Know when to work and know when to rest.
There you go. Wow. There you go, you know. Galing sa greatest of all time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pag ako, chill lang ako yun. Pag nagpapahinga ako, lang. Example, sa work.
Mm.
Break time, ganyan, di ba?
Mm.
Find the grass, lay down, look at
There
look
you
at the sky.
Yeah.
Ganun. Relax
When
lang.
you work, when you rest.
Yeah, when you rest, just rest. You know,
Yeah,
if you have time to rest, just rest.
So yeah, yun yung mga wala namang ano sa pick, but yun yung lesson learned natin doon. Work. If rest, take your rest.
Worry less, pray more. Ganun lang.
Yeah. So
Worry less, pray more.
worry less, pray more.
Yeah.
There you go. Yung mga ano.
Kala mo talaga, may alam sa buhay.
Yes, sir. Siyempre, meron talaga. Ito yung greatest of all time.
Pangilang taong na yun, Jess. Nahihina ako.
Panlima. Gusto mo mag-washroom ka muna?
No.
Okay.
One more question na go to washroom.
Alright. Kung meron kang press pause
Excuse me.
sa lahat at
May
meron kang press pause sa lahat.
press pause?
Yeah, like break sa lahat.
Mm-hmm.
Pag ano mo hihinto lahat.
Mm-hmm.
At meron kang gustong kausapin kahit sino. Sino 'yon at anong sasabihin
Dead or
mo?
alive?
Whatever.
Um,
Whoever. Pick.
siguro yung mama ko. Press pause. Yeah. Dead or alive? Siguro yung mama ko. May follow-up question yun?
Ano yung sasabihin mo kay mama?
I don't know. Maybe just a hug, right? Press pause and then hug. Back to work, man. That's it.
Wala kang gustong sabihin.
Yeah?
Wala kang gustong sabihin.
Yeah, keep it pagdating ng panahon. Pag na-press pause ko na.
Hindi, malay mo.
I mean, she's listening. Alam niya yung sasabihin ng puso ko. But I don't have to mention it.
I see. I guess we gotta keep it private. So, yeah, I mean, yun yung mga, kapag meron si Vic na press pause, he wants to talk to his, mom.
Press pause. Pak, ihi mo na ako.
Yeah,
Ihi mo na
there
ako.
you
Gotta go pee.
Next question, Vic. Pag yung buhay ay sobrang hirap na at walang naglo-look after sa'yo, sino yung sandalan mo to not giving up?
My faith.
Your faith?
Yeah, my faith.
Wow. God, you're saying.
Yeah, my faith.
Interesting.
Hindi naman. Mahirap lang ng buhay pag siseryosohin mo masyado. But chill ka lang. You gotta remember. Chill ka lang.
I see. So how do you talk to him if like kapag kailangan mo ng rest back parang ganun.
How do I talk to God?
Yeah, how do you talk to him?
One-way communication kasi yun, yo.
One-way communication.
Hindi yun sasagot, man. But,
Hmm.
yeah, you just gotta talk. No, you get your answers in a different way.
You're saying in a different way?
Yeah, like, paano ba explain yan? How do you talk to God?
I ask you a question.
Like, when you pray something, kailangan mo ng
Hindi kung sa'yo lang ba?
guidance.
Yeah, there you
You
go.
ask for guidance.
Mm-mm.
Lord. Ganun lang. I don't know what to say. Okay.
How do you talk to God if kung kailangan mo ng sandalan? In a short way. Oh God.
I mean, kailangan ko ng sandalan.
Yeah.
Sandal ka lang. Tapos, you don't, like what I said, like, parang, yung parang pillar. Pero sabi mo, yung parang sandalan ko.
Mm.
It's like yung faith mo, na kung ano yung mga beliefs mo. You just gotta look back to it.
Mm.
Think about kung ano yung mga magbibigay magbumotivate sa'yo para ulit para, ganun.
But how do you talk to him?
Huh?
How do you talk to him?
Just pray.
Like how do you communicate? Like, oh
How
God.
let's have an example.
Mm.
Let me think about something. Because, bagal yung signal, yo.
Sige.
Let's have a pineapple first. Ano mo tanong?
Pag yung buhay ay sobrang hirap na at walang naglo-look after sa'yo, sino yung sandalan mo to not giving up? And you said faith. Then when you say faith is God. So how do you communicate with God? Kapag mahirap na yung buhay and kailangan mo ng sandalan, kailangan mo yung sandal niya. kailangan mo sumandal sa kanya? How do you talk to him to get back on track again?
Yun lang. God give me strength.
There you go.
God give me strength. Like, ano lang. Simple lang.
Yeah. Straightforward at the same
Straightforward
time.
lang.
Yeah.
Yung last time, yun.
And then did God give you strength?
Ha?
Binibigyan ka din ni God ng strength then after you pray.
Yeah. Buff me up.
There you go.
Ikaw ba? How do you talk to God? Really? How about you? Sa ano mo?
How do I talk to God?
Yeah. In your daily life.
For most of the time, I'm just being thankful.
So, ganun. Yeah. Ganda yun.
Yeah, kahit may pinagdadaanan ako or kung ano man yung sitwasyon ko, I just say, God, thankful for what I have right now. You know, thank you for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I get it. So, thank you for sunshine, God. I get it. What you mean? Thank you, thankful, God. Thank you for
but yeah,
sunshine. Thank you for rain.
yeah. Kasi kung hindi ako magiging thankful, sino ba ako? You know, like life is already given. You know, binigay na yun sa'yo, you know. And then it's up to you kung isang direksyon mo dadalhin yung buhay. So, I would say, God, I'm thankful. Whatever it is, struggle or whatever it is, thank you, you know, putting me through it. Because in the long run, it's going to be beneficial to me. I know there is a reason, there's a purpose. Na you make me go through this.
Yeah.
So, I'm just being thankful.
Yeah. Like, again, like, you know, it's good. You just faith, you know.
Yeah. And then, at the same time, hindi talaga nawawala sa prayers ko yung God, direct me and guide me kung ano man yung ano mo sa akin. So, yun. That's how I communicate to God.
That's good.
But yeah, sa kanya, guys, you know, he has free strengths. So,
Yeah, yes, for sure.
yeah.
Pag mahirap na yung buhay,
Mm-mm.
relax ka lang.
Yeah.
Huwag masyadong seryosohin yung buhay.
Yeah. So, yeah, yun guys, yun yung mga faith. You know, wow, it's very deep. When it comes to God, you know, He asks for strengths. Pag ako naman, being thankful, then go forward to it. So, yeah. Wow, Vic, thank you for that answer. And for the next question, sa tingin mo ba na nauubusan ka na ng oras sa kung sino mo maging, gusto mo maging, you know, like person who you wanted to be? Sa tingin mo nauubusan ka ba ng oras? O hindi naman?
Kung naubusan ba ko ng oras?
Yeah, chasing who you wanted, you know, to be.
No.
I just wanna know.
No, like I'm never. I mean, eventually we all die, right? If that's like we're running out of time. But di ako naubusan ng oras yun. Like,
To be who you wanted to be.
yeah, because if just enjoy the moment, right?
Mm-mm.
How can you run out of time? You
Mm.
just enjoy the moment.
Mm.
Kasi pag isipin mo nga, like isipin mo yung future, yo, I gotta do this, I gotta do that to become like this, then of course you will run out of time because yung future na sa'yo yun eh.
Mm.
You gotta, you know, live in the moment. You know?
Mm. Wow, that's
Wow,
that's
kape
so
pa.
strong.
Kape pa yo.
Oo nga naman, oh. Kasi future yun eh. It's in the future. Right.
Ano kaabot dun?
Yeah.
Hindi ka
You
abot dun, no?
stay in the
Live
in
the
the
moment.
moment. Yeah, wow. Wow.
Mabulan na ka oras kasi mamamatay ka na, hindi pa darating yung You see, life is so simple. Life is so simple if you just take it simple.
Yeah. Wow. Totoo nga naman yun.
Complicate mo pa na, wow, bukas yung may pasok pa ako. Ganyan.
Chasing ako. Dapat ganito akong bababa sa future nga yun. So, focus ka muna. And sa ngayon, sa moment na to. Tapos, dadaling ka din dun eventually.
Abot ka din dun eh.
Yeah.
Dadating din yung mamaya. Antay ka lang. Chillax ka lang. Bira.
So, yeah, yun yung mga, hindi naman siya nauubusan ng oras. But, yung lesson learned din is stay in the moment. Kung sino gusto mo maging, gawin nyo na ngayon, best as you can, kung ano yung capable ka na maging para sa future, para pagdating doon, yun ka na, di ba? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. But do you know, you
Yeah.
get it or what?
I get it.
Alright.
Along the way. It's
Yeah.
there. I get it.
So, yeah, yun guys. So, next question, Vic.
Okay lang tayo.
This is your 9th question.
Wow, 2 questions na lang, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this question is, you've been, chasing something big for you, for so long. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what if I'm already enough? Kung you've been working hard, right? Tapos, sasabihin mo, mayroon bang moment na tanongin na, okay na ako dito. I think this is good.
Honestly, I don't have that moment.
You don't have that moment, say.
No, because this is good. Like, only God will say that to you. Like, that's enough. You're achieve mo na yung buhay mo. I'm gonna take you back to heaven now. Right? I mean, again, it's not about having. It's about being. It's about, like, okay, being a good man, or being a good person, or being a good friend, being a good brother, being a good son. It's all about being. If you're thinking about having this, having that, it'll never satisfy you. And right now is what matters, because it's right now, di ba? Yung future. Hindi mo naman sasabihin na that's it. Pag nandito ka pa sa mundo, that means you still have things to learn. And you gotta move forward, Just focus on that. You'll never, hindi naman masasabi like, that's it, ito na yun. If you're thinking about like things sa buhay, like ma-achieve mo yung mga ganyan. Iba kasi yung tinitingnan ko the other way. Yeah.
I see. Ano yung tinitignan mo? When you say other way, what are you looking for?
Like yung things na truly matters. Like, I don't know. It's so hard to explain. Like, did you get something? No? Oh boy. I'm so bad at explaining things. Like, again, it's not about like chasing stuff dito sa mundo.
You said it's not having, it's being. I get that. Pero you said you're looking to other way. What other way you're saying you're looking?
Other way that would really satisfy you in their life.
What really matters?
What really matters.
What
like,
does?
Again, what matters is
What is what does it
oh,
matter
what
to you?
truly is essential
Yeah.
is invisible to the eyes. Yung ganun pala yan. Hindi pa rin.
So ano yung mga essential sa buhay mo that
Being.
really matter?
Being as a person, di ba? Being a good brother,
I
being a good
see.
son.
There.
Yun yung mga importanteng bagay sa mundo.
Now I get it. So yeah, yun. Being. So hindi naman siya,
Pag-
guys.
Kung kinuha ka ng Lord, that's it.
Mhm.
Time first.
Yeah. Hindi naman siya, guys, he never ask himself, oh, this is enough. Kasi sabi niya na
Yun mo.
God will only tell that you're good, you're enough. Tapos
Pag sumobra ka na sa buhay mo, tama na yan yung balik. Kaya daan-daan ka lang.
I see. Interesting. So yeah, I mean, alam mo, na-notice ko, everything na sinasabi mo, just being present, relax ka lang, stay in the moment. Parang yun yung whole story, overall. So, yeah. Wow. Interesting, Vic. Thank you so much for that.
Kahit ako di ko gets yung sarili ko.
But yeah, Vic, wow, we've been asking a lot of questions and answers, and nandito na tayo sa last question mo. So, yeah.
Go for it, man.
Yeah, I mean,
The coffee is
for
cooking up.
example lang, kung ito yung huling araw mo sa mundo, for example lang, ano yung mensahe mo, sa mga tao, yung iiwan mo sa kanila, na nangangarap lang din gaya sa'yo, na nagsusumikap lang din gaya sa'yo para matupad yung mga pangarap nila sa buhay. Ano yung message mo message mo sa kanila?
Yung tanong mo sa akin kanina eh. I didn't even thought about it. Ang message ko sa kanila, sa mga nagsisikap.
Same as you.
Seryoso na lang para.
You never know, they're watching. You never know. You could help someone 100%. They may take these words very seriously.
Give me pressure in that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a short message. Sa mga nagsusumikap, one day darating din sila dun, diba? O yung pangarap nila. I hope so. I pray for those people that really work hard and put all the efforts. But at the end of the day, always humble yourself back to God. Because, again, pag nasobraan ka na sa mga bagay sa mundo, you're always chasing all the material things that, again, it would never satisfy you. Again, just humble yourself back to God. Like, at the end of the day, di mo naman madadala yun.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna leave this world empty-handed.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, like, enjoy mo yung process. Darating ka din dun.
Wow. That's so powerful.
Para ko lang alam yung... Wala talagang alam yun. Wala akong
Wow.
alam.
But yeah,
That's all I can say. Kaya mo yan.
but be humble back to God.
Humble yourself back to God.
Humble yourself
Because
back to God.
Di ka naman darating dyan without Him.
Wow, that's powerful.
His will be done. Amen.
Wow. So yeah, guys, hopefully, may napulot kayo kahit papaano mo lang, one or two messages, that, ma-apply nyo sa buhay. And Vic, thank you so much sa pagbigay ng oras at effort and pagpunta dito, And any shout outs?
Oh.
There you go.
No, well, di mo naman na-mention, but like, shout out sa mga tao na, like, sa success ko sa buhay ko ngayon is nothing. Hindi ako darating doon without them. Especially sa mama mo. She really helped me. Yeah, she's so patient sa siya pala yung yung realtor ko, si Tita Eileen. Yeah, she's the best. She's the best. She was so patient back in like 2021 pa ata kami naghahanap ng property. Dami naming inikot na bahay sa Niagara. Pumunta kami ng London banda. Sa dami namin ikot, wala akong nahanap na bahay. Kasama pa namin papa mo. She's so patient. Like, marami din siyang alam sa bahay. So, yeah. She's the best. So, if you need those people that really help me. And, sa nag-renovate sa property namin, si Kuya Elmer. Yeah. Itag mo sila Lagay mo nang yung pangalan. Kuya Elmer, isend ko sa'yo yung name nila.
Doon sa mga sponsor kasi Kuya Elmer dito.
Ilagay mo lang. Shout out lang sa kanila.
Yeah,
those are the people that really help me.
I could put them, no problem. Bigay mo sa akin yung phone number.
Yung lang, yung
information.
Name niya. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. No problem. Shout out po sa'yo, Kuya Elmer.
Yeah. Siya yung nag-renovate sa namin, good price.
Yeah.
And really, like, he's an honest man. Best para sa mga renovations. And shout out sa mga mahal ko sa buhay.
Shout out po sa inyo. Walang name drop.
Shout out kay Junie.
Yun
Dito ka, boy.
Sino yun?
Dito ka, boy. Tatakasan mo kami, boy. Dito ka.
Sino yun?
Sabi sa'yo, mag-podcast tayo tatlo . Shout out kay Junie.
Sino yun? Si Pahardo ba yun? Juni Pahardo?
Mm.
Kailangan, may ano siya dito, deadline na siya dito, no?
Pending yun eh.
Ngayon eh.
Daming rason nun. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Yun yung mga transaction na ano eh, no? Cancel shipping palagi. No?
Dapat dito si Junie. Shout out sa'yo, boy.
Gusto ko rin makita yun eh, kung paano siya mag-isip. Amen.
Mas maganda kasi pag tayo tatlo. Di ba? As we always
Ba't
say.
hindi ba kaya ni Juni mag-isa?
Ha?
Hindi ba kaya ni
Kaya yun,
Oo.
syempre. Solid yun eh.
Sa tingin mo ano yung mga sagutan?
Ang Junie?
Oh.
Knowing Junie, relax lang yun, yo. Relax lang yun. No, at least seryoso, relax lang yun si
Like
Junie.
paano ka relax? Baka sobrang lax, hindi nagsasagot.
Hindi, simple lang yun si Junie sa buhay. Simple lang yun.
Yun no? Anong gano'ng kasimple?
I don't know, pero hindi niya, like, he doesn't take life too complicated.
Wow.
Like, relax lang yun sa buhay pa.
Kaya nga gusto ko nga siya eh. Kaso pending palagi.
Hindi, dadating yun ngayon. Mga ano lang, mga ilang episode ng podcast mo. Siya na yung magiging ano.
Sa tingin mo ba, paano ko siya mapapaupo dito?
Ha?
Ano sa tingin mo kailangan kong gawin para mapaupo siya?
Paano mo napaupo dito? Mag-iwan ka ng gamit.
But yeah, wow. So yun guys, shout out sa mga tao na tumulong kay Vic and shout out sa family niya. Shout out kay Junie, you know, may due date ka na dito. Hopefully on the next episode, you know, mag-attend ka, you know. So yeah,
Next podcast natin pag tayo tatlo. Ikaw
Oh,
naman
chill.
interview namin.
pwede. Pwede talaga. Pwede talaga. But yeah, any shout outs? Vic? Any,
Huh?
ano pa? Meron ka pang, you know.
Shout out sa sarili ko.
Shout out, thank you, Vic. Yeah, Vic, thank you so much, eh.
Yeah.
Yep, appreciate it, man. And yeah, thank you so much sa panonood. Hope you guys enjoy and sana may, you know, nakuha kayo kahit
May
paano.
napulot kayo.
Yeah, kahit may napulot kayo one or two things and apply nyo sa buhay and also yung mga sinasabi din namin dito, you know, this is life experiences and ina-apply namin sa buhay to. So, yeah,
Kain kayo ng prutas.
there you go. Yeah, kain kayo ng prutas.
Eat vegetables.
There you go. Yeah. This is what we're showing you guys. So, ito yung mga, I want you guys to live long, you know, live healthy, you know, life, wealthy life. So, yeah, guys, thank you. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, Vic, thank you so much. Again, I'm very well honored, you know, to have your time and effort. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video.
I'm
Yes,
honored.
sir.
Bye.